Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Google, a week or two ago, has announced that they would do a cleanup. And what happened is that they said that unused accounts that haven't been logged in for more than 2 years will be deleted. And of course, that created a stir because some people said, well, you know, these accounts are associated with so many other services, including YouTube for the videos. And one of the things that we know is that some channels on YouTube might not have been active for years, yet they may contain some really cool videos that you still want to see. And that problem is that by deleting accounts that haven't been logged in for more than 2 years, of course, they risk removing a lot of content. So it's fine that Google does a cleanup. Honestly, these are services that we're not paying for. They're paid for by the ads, and Google, there's a cost to Google to have these online. But now the problem is, of course, with all the other content associated, that people might not want it to go away. So, first of all, if you have a Gmail account, if you have a Google account, remember that if you haven't logged in more than 2 years, you're at risk of having your account shut down and removed. So maybe, dish out those old passwords and try to log in at least once. Now, Google today has announced that it will not touch any accounts that have YouTube videos. So basically, if you have an account, a Gmail account that has YouTube videos on it, that will not be touched. And so this means that what you have online will stay there. And I am part of that. I got some old accounts. When I started doing YouTube, I actually had old accounts that did other things. I tried several different types of YouTube videos to see what would catch on and what would not. And including some with old retro gaming videos, things that even though I haven't logged in, because I probably have not logged in more than 2 years into that one, yet there's a lot of people that might still want to see those retro gaming videos of Commodore, Amiga, and Atari games. So Google did say that they will not touch any accounts that actually have YouTube videos associated with them. So that's a good news, because I think we were on the verge of maybe losing quite a lot of content if that would have happened. And that's good news. So if you have a Google account, a Gmail, whatever, you haven't logged in a long time, maybe it's time to kind of log in and show that there's a little bit of activity if you don't want to lose it. Sometimes people create Gmail accounts and, forget about it. Well, maybe you want to keep yours and just go and log in. And, of course, there's a lot of trash to be removed for sure. I mean, how many people probably created a Gmail account, forgot the password, and instead of recovering it, they just created a new Gmail account. So there must be millions of accounts that are good for the trash, that's for sure. So that's kind of an interesting news, but it's nice to see that, the YouTube videos, if you have a YouTube videos associated with your account, the account is going to stay online. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.